Ever wondered about the different doses of Viagra and how they work? Well, in the United Kingdom, Viagra is available in 3 doses: 25 milligrams, 50 milligrams, and 100 milligrams. The dosage refers to the amount of active ingredient, sildenafil citrate, present in each tablet. So, let's delve into the details of each dosage. Starting with the standard dose, 50 milligrams. This is typically what a doctor will recommend for first-time users. It's not only effective but also safe for most men, making it the most commonly used dosage. In fact, this is the only dose that can be purchased over the counter in the UK. Then comes the 25 milligram dose, the lowest available. While it's slightly less effective than the other two, it has the lowest risk of side effects and interactions with other medications. This dosage might be recommended if you've tried the 50 milligram dose, found it effective, but experienced mild side effects. It might also be the starting dose if you have health conditions like high blood pressure that make higher doses less safe. At the top of the scale is the 100 milligram dose, the highest available. This dosage is the most effective, but it also carries the greatest risk of side effects. If the standard 50 milligram dose didn't work well enough for you and you didn't experience serious side effects, you might consider trying the 100 milligram dose. However, remember that 100 milligrams is the maximum daily dose of Viagra. It's crucial not to take more than this in one day, or combine Viagra with other erectile dysfunction medications, as this can lead to serious side effects. Now, how do you choose the right dose? Normally, if you're new to Viagra, you'd start with 50 milligrams. This is a good dose for most men to see the desired effect while minimizing the chance of side effects. But in some cases, depending on your health or other medications, a doctor might only recommend starting with 25 milligrams. If you've tried the 50 milligram dose and it didn't work, you might be able to increase your dose to 100 milligrams, provided you didn't experience any side effects. On the other hand, if you experience side effects with the 50 milligram dose, but were happy with the improvements to your erections, you could drop down to 25 milligrams. In terms of speed, on average, Viagra takes between 30 minutes to 1 hour to start working, regardless of the dosage. Higher doses do take slightly longer to reach their maximum strength inside your body, but the difference is fairly small. If you're looking for a treatment that works faster than Viagra, you might consider trying Spedra, which can start working as quickly as 15 minutes after you take it. In summary, Viagra comes in 3 doses: 25, 50, and 100 milligrams. The right dose for you depends on your health, other medications, and your experience with Viagra. Always consult your doctor before changing your dosage.